For this lesson, I will be talking about the introduction to safety. Flammable, which indicates that the container holds either a flammable, liquid, gas, or solid, or an aerosol, which means that the substance will catch fire easily. Corrosive, which shows that the substance is both a physical hazard and a health hazard, which means it's corrosive to metals and skin. Corrosive substances such as bleaches and drain cleaners can also cause serious burns and eye damage. Oxidizing, which means the container holds either an oxidizing gas, liquid, or solid gas, which means that it will provide oxygen to fuel the fire. Poisonous means that the substance will kill you fast, while toxic will kill you slowly. Health hazard, which indicates that the substance can be a breathing hazard or cause long-term health complications. Carcinogens, for example, can cause cancer. They can come from diesel exhaust fumes or benzene found in paint and rubber. They're also found in chemicals like arsenic, which can be used in pesticides and car batteries. They're known as mutagens and can alter a person's DNA. Compressed gas, that shows that the contents will explode easily. Reactive means that the substance will react dangerously to many things. Although the women's symbols are the main symbols, there are also other symbols such as the HHPS, household product symbols, or the IHS, international hazard. As well as showing you how they are dangerous, they can also be categorized by shapes, which determines how dangerous they are. If the shape is an octagon, that means danger. If it is a square, that means warning. And if it is a triangle, that means caution. Danger, of course, is the most dangerous, then going down by the amount of sides on the shape. Now you know how things are dangerous and how dangerous they are, but now we need to know about the equipment that we have available in the lab and how to use them to differently react to these chemicals. For a fire extinguisher, it is used to put fires out, as well as a fire blanket. An eye wash station is used to wash chemicals out of your eye, and you have to stay there for 10 to 15 minutes before seeking other help. An emergency shower is for if you spill any chemicals on your body and need to get them off quickly and effectively. A neutralization kit is used in order to neutralize an acid or a base. A fume hood removes fumes from the gas that are potentially dangerous. A broken glass container stores broken glass, and you should sweep it up and put it into the bucket immediately. And safety glasses are used in order to protect your eyes before something bad happens. Know how to identify how things are dangerous, how dangerous they are, and how to take them out. But let's do some examples. For example, if you had a chemical spill, that could cause burns, so what you want to do right away is notify a teacher. For example, if there's broken glass, that can cause cuts. And if there's no chemicals, you sweep it up yourself. But if there is chemicals in the mixture, you need to get your teacher immediately. If there happens to be a case of burning chemicals, which can cause burns or fumes, you need to notify a teacher right away and step away immediately. If there is fire in a container, which can cause burns, you need to put a lid over it immediately. And if there's a fire on a lab bench, which can cause burns, you need to use a fire blanket in order to put out the fire. If there's an uncontrolled fire that cannot be contained by a fire blanket, you may use the fire extinguisher or evacuate and pull the fire alarm. If you happen to get chemicals on hands, you must wash off immediately. If you happen to find yourself in a situation where you're smelling chemicals, make sure to use the wafting technique in order to not burn your nasal passage. And as you will probably be using Bunsen burners throughout the semester, make sure that you turn off the main gas, as an uncontrolled Bunsen burner can cause fire to the classroom. Last but not least, there are also some other rules that you should know in order to prevent problems like that happening. You should always dress properly for a lab, which means no open toe shoes, tie long hair back, and no baggy clothing. Anyways, thank you class, and thank you Mr. Trio for an amazing semester.